But no cap. I understand that, no cap.
But at the same time, it's fun to bring other people in and, let them see, you see Moose, let them see it, and just, so I haven't made up my mind. I might do some live, some not,
Do it silent, no cap. Just be the real one gonna tap in anywhere it goes. They know who channel it is. That's what I know. Yeah, they know who channel it is. You see that notification? Stop playing, y'all. Y'all see that? Y'all see that shit?
Everyone's always talking about, oh, you got to get, they're like,
and keep it pushing. Yeah, bro.
They're like, you got to get your hours in so you can get monetized. I'm like, I don't care about a YouTube check, man.
No, it's just about showing love from the real supporters. That's all.
Right.
I'm gonna pop this shit
I
in.
just
want the real ones.
I just enjoy making content.
I'm gonna still do me. Yeah, I'm still gonna do me. Yeah, that. I just want y'all to join the club. You gotta join the club and say, I'm going up. I don't care. So you better catch on. Hey, we going to the top. I'm just saying. Yeah.
There you go, man.
Hey, come on.
So how long ago did you start bars?
Man, not that long, man. It was this year, I think.
13.4, dog. 13.4.
Bro,
crazy.
They can't hate on us, man. They can't hate on us.
That's crazy. Here I am. I just passed 5.3K, and I'm like, yeah. And then I look, and I'm like, damn, bars is at 13.4, kicking ass, man.
Let me see. I'm gonna look it up right now. But yeah, man, we the best, you know. Man, we the best. Oh my God, is this for real? Say, I'm gonna show you, bro. I'm like, is this for real? This camera, come on, turn around. Come on, piece of shit. It's okay, I'll turn the bitch around. August the 6th, 2025.
Damn, man. Damn. It's
about a year, man. Ass.
About 1 year and 13.4, man. Damn, dog.
Bars DNA. Go check it out. Y'all can check it out yourself. Go to the channel. Go look at the go look at the stats. It'll tell you bars. I'm not playing no game. I told you we did it one time. We're gonna do it again. Yeah, you see what it's
again. And again.
Family. We kicking ass. Let's go.
That's awesome, dog.
Time we can do it again.
Like I said,
and just to show y'all, since I told you, I'm gonna show you where we at right now. Bars.
Oh man. Woo! 13.405, dog. You know, it's crazy. That one short I put out, I gained 2,300 subscribers from one short video.
That's what I'm talking about. You never know what's gonna drop. You gotta drop that shit.
Right.
You gotta drop it. You never know. You hit that mojo. It's going damn. You hear me? What they say, you gotta
like.
Get that hot spot.
Drop what you like. Stay true to it, man, and something's gonna catch. You know what I mean?
Hard head. I be trying to tell you, stop being hard head. Drop that shit.
Yeah. Yeah, I've been. I haven't been able to put anything, and you can tell I haven't put anything out in probably a week or so, just because I've been busy. And then I put one out. I mean, it got 1,000 views, but I mean the likes aren't there, so it's not gonna go any higher. But they reward when you put it out, man. When you put it out. When you pop that shit, YouTube rewards it, man. They reward that hard